Hello everyone and welcome back to Spare Time. Today we're going to be making the Spider-Man suit from the PS4 game. This video has been delayed long enough, so let's not waste any time with the intro. I started off by taking some screenshots of the suit in the game, making note of all the different types of changes and where the red separates from the blue, and then traced it and copied it on a basic pattern I've already made 100 times. Just check out my other videos. Started off with the pants. I just took the regular pants pattern, folded the fabric in half, put the inseam mark on the folded edge, and cut it out. Make sure to add seam allowance on all these pattern pieces. Then I took the blue parts of the shirt, traced around it, and then traced around it about ½ an inch away for the seam allowance. That's just to make sure that it will fit better, because when you sew, it will take up a little bit of space. For the chest part of the shirt, I basically had to put the pattern down, trace it, flip it over, and do it again. No big deal. Then I sewed them together. It's best to do it starting at the shoulder and then sewing down all the blue to the red pieces, but not sewing down both blue parts. That makes it easier to put the sleeves on. Anyway, I did this because I was really anxious to try it out, and I realized that the chest part was way too big, so I had to start over again.
Okay, and got it. Now I just have to cut out a new one, make it again.